Hello everyone and assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are all having a great amazing day. I just came back from school. This is why I'm in my school uniform and it's been a long tiring day. We had PE first period. As soon as I came into my garden, I saw my dad struggling to harvest the khodu that got stuck up in the tree. Let me show you guys.
Hello, Akeem.
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get this down.
How are we going to get this one down, Dad?
Oh my God.
Be careful.
You see this photo here?
Yes.
There's two of them there. So I'm just trying to get this down.
I think the other one's hidden in the tree.
Yeah. Let me get this ladder slightly closer. I'll try going up this ladder here, okay? And see if I can reach it from here.
Dad, make sure you have a good grip.
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Wish me luck. I want to get this down. It's quite slippery here today.
Yes, it's been raining the whole day.
We're nearly coming to the end of September. It's best to harvest all your vegetables. It's getting pretty cold now. Can you see? Oh yes, I can reach it.
Oh yes.
I can reach. Oh, it's pretty big actually.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Pretty big.
Oh, I can see the other
There's
khodu.
another one there.
I see it.
This first.
It's behind the leaves of the tree.
Not bad. End of September. And we still have one more. Let me see if I can.
It's behind that leaf in front of you.
Okay, it's a bit slippery here, okay? Oh my God.
Oh, watch out.
Where?
Right there, look. Move that branch.
Oh. New hodls developing. But unfortunately it's too late for them.
Oh, Dad, look above you.
Where?
Look above you.
Where?
There's another one growing.
Yes, there's more growing here. But where's the one here? I can't see it. You see it?
Yes, I can see it. Look, it's somewhere there.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Have you found it?
That's a very small one.
Oh, I didn't.
That's a very small one. It looks a bit like... Oh, it's a funny shaped one.
From the angle where I was standing, it looked pretty big.
It looks like... I don't know. What is it? It looks like Kira.
Yeah, a little bit it does.
Yeah, it does. Oh well. Something better than nothing. That was tiring, Akir.
It looked very tiring. And Dad, be careful. It's very slippery here.
Came just in time. Alright, so...
Oh.
Oh, mashallah, not bad. Now, we've got about 4 or 5 more khodu to harvest. I think we're going to harvest them all today.
There's another one there.
Now, only a week ago, this was baby size. Do you remember you cut the big khodu from here?
Yes.
And this was only very tiny. This would grow about to this size. But it's cold and I don't want it to rot. I'm going to actually harvest it. And then I'm going to clear everything. Because we're planning to go on holiday in the 15th of October. And I want to make sure of the garden nice and clear before I go.
Yeah, we need to give our garden a good clean up.
Okay, look, here's a bit of gourd.
We might as well harvest everything.
I'm going to harvest everything.
Everything we see.
Everything comes in front of me, I'm going to harvest. Now, this one here, there's another one here. Come here. Oh, this one I'm going to leave on the plant. We have about a few days sunshine. This might grow big. So I'm going to leave this on the plant. It's too small to harvest. Now look at this one up here. Look at this one. Oh, this is a nice size.
This is the perfect
That's
size.
a nice size. I'm going to harvest this. Oh, mashallah. Good. I must say, best season for a long time. We had so many khodu, unbelievable. Okay, let's put this here. Now, there's more here. There's one more here.
Oh, you found it?
Yep. Another one here. Now, just in case you missed our chili harvesting, which we uploaded yesterday, it's a fantastic video. You should watch that video.
Dad, it's starting to rain again.
Yes.
It's been raining all day today.
Okay, there's another one here. And again, I'm going to leave this on the plant. just hope that we get about 2 or 3 days sunshine, warmer weather. And there's one more here. You see?
Yeah.
So we are getting plenty more. They're nice. And we might have a few more on the other side in the neighbor's garden.
I think we should check another day.
Yeah, I think tomorrow I'll check. It's a beautiful. It looks like a snake.
Yeah, it does.
Snake.
It looks like a rattlesnake.
It's in here. That's a few seeds from this one.
Dad, I think you should cut a few more hodu vines.
By the way, you can follow us on Instagram. So if any of you wanted to contact us, you can join our Instagram page. And through the Instagram page, you can contact us. Okay, we have one more small kira left. Your favorite. You can wash it and eat that. More bitter gourd. We had a great season for bitter gourd. These are baby ones. Might as well just cut it. Are there any more? No. But we have tomatoes. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, we have lots of tomatoes.
Oh, that's a nice looking one.
Tomatoes. There's plenty on the plant.
Take this one, Dad.
Yes.
So here.
Look at this chocolate color tomatoes.
They look great, don't they?
Look nice, and they taste nice. Just that I've got more here. Look, chocolate color ones. Okay, so we have one more here growing, and guess what I found? One more here. Big one here. Oh look!
Oh, there it is.
There it is. This one been escaping from the greenhouse. From one plant alone, there's one apple gourd we planted in this greenhouse. We probably had about 30 apple gourd from it. And they're beautiful.
That's a lot of hodus.
They grow quite big. They grow up to this size. About triple the size of this one. So, mashallah, I'm really pleased. Last of the tomatoes in the greenhouse. Not bad, not bad.
Not bad at all.
And there's a few more here. And harvest everything. Okay.
Is that everything?
We have plenty more chilies to harvest, but look at this beautiful chocolate naga. Oh wow.
Wow.
We harvested so many chilies yesterday. It's unbelievable.
Dad, do these chilies actually taste like chocolate?
They don't taste like chocolate, but extremely hot. Chocolate naga. Not bad for end of September. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hodus, including this one here. And we've got 3 more left in the plant. And plenty of tomatoes. Oh no, actually 5.
Actually,
6 hodus.
we got 6.
6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6.
Including this little one here. And plenty of tomatoes. You want to have your kira? Where's your kira going to keep?
I left my kira in that basket, Dad. I think it's covered up by the tomatoes.
Yes. I really hope you enjoyed watching this short video with us. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum. I'll see you in the next one.
Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Okay.
That's a cute little one, isn't it?
That's a cute little one, yes.
Let me try this.
Go on, try it out.
It's so nice. It tastes delicious.
That's great. Alright, let's get this inside, Akib.
I'll start off by taking the khudru.
Oh, I'm looking forward to eating these ones.
With some hud
We'll do some hud kishira today. Can you manage?
Yeah.